entertainment, sports, politics, lifestyle. Gen Z News 360.
Welcome to Gen Z News 360. The headlines. Fuel prices drop across Kenya following latest EPRA review. To arrested for theft of police rifle from inspector's car at Nairobi police station. Gachagua faces major setback as High Court Greenlights Senate impeachment hearing. Baringo. Daughter clears father after being framed in defilement case. Ghana's vice president to launch groundbreaking e-health system. Ghanaians express frustration following Black Star's defeat to Sudan. And now, the news in detail.
The headline news is brought to you by...
Thank you, Easy Prospectors. You made my family very happy.
In a move that will bring some relief to Kenyan motorists, fuel prices are set to decrease following the latest review by the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority, EPRA, effective October 15 to November 14. According to EPRA's announcement on Monday, the price of super petrol has dropped by KSH 0.8.18 per litre, diesel by KSH 0.3.54, and kerosene by KSH 0.6.93. This means that in Nairobi, motorists will now pay KSH 0.180.66 per litre for super petrol, while diesel will cost KSH 0.168.06. Kerosene, commonly used for household energy needs, will be priced at KSH 0.151.39 per litre. The price drop is reflected across major cities. In Mombasa, super petrol will now cost KSH 0.177.42, diesel KSH 0.164.82, and kerosene KSH 0.148.45. In Kisumu, drivers can expect to pay KSH 0.180.68 for super petrol, KSH 0.168.44 for diesel, and KSH 0.151.82 for kerosene. The drop in prices is due to a decrease in the average landed cost of imported fuels. Super petrol saw an 8.59% reduction, diesel dropped by 5.52%, and kerosene by 6.73%, according to EPRA Director General Daniel Bargoria. In a developing story from Kamukunji, Nairobi County, 2 individuals have been arrested in connection with the theft of a police officer's rifle that mysteriously disappeared from inside a police station 2 months ago. According to reports, Inspector Frederick Muzungu's rifle was reported missing on August 23, 2024, after he parked his vehicle at the entrance of Jogu Road Police Station. Strangely, there were no signs of forced entry into the vehicle, raising concerns about how the thieves managed to steal the rifle, which was loaded with 15 rounds of 9mm ammunition. Along with the rifle, the suspects also took a pair of handcuffs and 2 mobile phones. The case took an unexpected turn when children playing football near Railway House, approximately 900 meters from the police station, discovered the rifle hidden under a kiosk. Their discovery led to an investigation by the Kamukunji Officer Commanding Station, OCS, and the Director of Criminal Investigations, DCI, who quickly visited the scene. Local residents, who had witnessed suspicious activity at the kiosk, informed the police about 2 individuals identified as Alex Odhiambo, also known as Chepukati, and Amos Owino. Acting on this information, the police traced and arrested the suspects. The duo is now in custody and will be charged with possession of a firearm and ammunition, a serious offense under Kenyan law. Investigations are ongoing, and Inspector Muzungu, whose rifle was stolen, is also being questioned to assist with the inquiry.
In a shocking turn of events at Cabinet Law Courts in Baringo County, a middle-aged man was exonerated after being falsely accused of defiling his 8-year-old daughter. The case, which had gripped the community, took an unexpected twist when the child revealed that her mother, who had lodged the complaint, had framed her father. During cross-examination, the young girl told the court that she had initially complained of a stomach upset to her mother. However, instead of addressing her concerns, her mother twisted the story and falsely accused the father of defilement. The mother later admitted in court that her actions were motivated by anger over the husband's alleged neglect of their children. It was revealed that the wife had recorded a false statement at Cabinet Police Station and involved officials from the Children's Department and human rights activists to push the fabricated claims. Prosecutor Rebecca Bartolol, after hearing the evidence, applied for the case to be dismissed and the accused man to be released unconditionally. The senior resident magistrate, Edwin Mulochi, granted the request and discharged the man under Section 210 of the Criminal Procedure Code, declaring that there was no case against him. The ruling has sent shockwaves through the local community, highlighting the devastating consequences of false accusations. A police officer from Kahawa West Police Station has been arrested for allegedly soliciting a KSH 50,000 bribe to drop a court case. Police Constable Christine Nayokabi Mokaria was taken into custody by officers from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, EACC, on Monday. According to EACC spokesperson Eric Ngambai, Constable Nayokabi was initially held at Kilimani Police Station before being transferred to the EACC Integrity Center for further processing. The officer has since been questioned, recorded a statement, and is currently awaiting her court appearance. The ECC continues to investigate the matter as authorities crack down on corruption within the police force.
Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has faced yet another significant hurdle in his fight to stop his impeachment process. The High Court in Nairobi, led by Justice Chacha Mwita, has declined to halt the Senate from moving forward with the impeachment motion against him. This ruling means that Gachagua will now be forced to defend himself against the accusations leading to his potential removal when the Senate debates the matter on Wednesday and Thursday, following the schedule set by the Senate clerk. In his decision, Justice Mwita emphasized that the impeachment process should continue without interference. He further referred the case to Chief Justice Martha Koome, who will decide whether a three-judge bench should hear the petition challenging the Senate's authority to proceed with the ouster. The bench would also handle other related petitions concerning the Deputy President's impeachment. After reviewing the application and the legal arguments from both sides, I find that granting a conservatory order is not justified, ruled Justice Mwita. He added that the issues raised in the case were of significant public interest and should be heard by an uneven-numbered bench of judges, in line with Article 165(4) of the Constitution. The petition has been forwarded to Chief Justice Koome, who has already appointed Justices Eric Agola, Anthony Mrima, and Dr. Frida Mugambi to hear 5 other cases seeking to block Gachagua's impeachment. Gachagua's legal defense, led by senior counsel Paul Mute, is contesting the impeachment on several grounds, including insufficient public involvement in the process. The Deputy President's legal battle now hangs in the balance as the Senate prepares to convene and determine his political fate.
In a significant step toward modernizing healthcare in Africa, Ghana's Vice President, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, is set to launch the country's revolutionary e-health system on Wednesday, October 16, 2024. This digital initiative is the latest in a series of technological advancements in Ghana's healthcare sector, following the successful implementation of the drone medical delivery service and the e-pharmacy platform. The e-health system, developed by Lightwave e-health solutions in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, will be the first electronic patient management system of its kind in Africa. The platform will digitize patient records across teaching, regional, and district hospitals, allowing seamless access to medical histories, regardless of location. Patients transferring between hospitals will no longer need to carry physical files, as their records will be instantly available electronically to healthcare providers. This transformation builds on the Akufo-Addo government's commitment to enhancing healthcare delivery over the past 7 years. From the introduction of ambulance services across all constituencies to the drone service delivering medical supplies to remote areas, the e-health system is another key milestone in improving healthcare access and efficiency in Ghana. The integration of Ghana's disease surveillance unit protocols into the e-health platform will further strengthen the country's ability to monitor and respond to disease outbreaks. The integration of Ghana's disease surveillance unit protocols in Dr. Bawumia has expressed optimism about the impact of this initiative, noting that it will enhance patient safety, increase healthcare efficiency, and boost the overall productivity of medical services. With this launch, Ghana will become the first African nation to implement such a comprehensive health information management system, joining just 3 other countries globally. Dr. Bawumia, who has championed the digitization of healthcare, highlighted the significance of the system earlier this year, stating, "This is very major. What Ghana is doing, we would be the first country in Africa to do it." In a wave of online outrage, Ghanaians are slamming the Ghana Football Association, GFA, and the Black Stars after a disappointing 2-0 loss to Sudan in the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations, AFCON, qualifiers. The defeat has put the Black Stars in a precarious situation, with the team now facing the real possibility of missing out on AFCON for the first time in 2 decades. The Black Stars have only managed to secure 2 points from 4 matches, trailing behind Angola, who lead the group with 9 points, and Sudan, who sit on 7. Ghana's path to qualification now requires back-to-back victories in their remaining games against Angola and Niger, alongside hoping that Sudan drops points in their matches. During the match against Sudan, Ghana dominated possession in the first half but failed to create meaningful opportunities, finishing the half without a single shot on target. Sudan seized the moment in the second half, capitalizing on defensive errors by Ghana and netting 2 quick goals through Ahmed Al-Tash and Mohamed Abdul Rahman. Frustrated Ghanaian fans have taken to social media, voicing their dissatisfaction with the GFA head coach Otto Addo and the Black Stars technical team. Many are demanding urgent changes to salvage the team's fading hopes of qualifying for AFCON 2025. This is the end of the news. My name is Stephen Omolo.
I am Laurencia Smith. The news was brought to you by Easy Prospectus.
Thank you, Easy Prospectus. You made my family very happy.
Wow Fashions. And Summoney Publications, publishers of In the Shadows of Justice.
In the shadows of justice, we found the light. Together we'll make it through the night.
Enjoy the rest of the day.